Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook photo or your Facebook photo at once. So let's dive into our Facebook. Open your Facebook, then this is it. Click on use the profile on the picture here, then you scroll down here and click on your photos, then click on see all, and this is it. If you wanted to delete all your cover photo at once, you click on it, but here I'm going to show you how to delete photos from this profile picture here. So you click on this here, and this is it. Easy. Just scroll down. Let me just start from one here. Let me click on this now. Right, you click on the three menu button, then click on delete. Do like this. Under what it shows, click on the three menu button, click on delete, and that is it. Keep repeating the same process for all the pictures being shown out here, and you will automatically deleted all your photos on your Facebook at once. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.